Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Bashaw, Alberta, a community rich with history and character. From its early beginnings to the present day, Bashaw has been shaped by its people, its landmarks, and its stories. Bashaw was incorporated as a village in August of 1911, originally named Forster, but why the name change? Well, legend has it that it was renamed after a man who played a significant role in its development. The Bashaw District book tells us there are conflicting reasons for its naming, but it is believed the name Bashaw was chosen after a man who contributed immensely to its growth. The land Bashaw sits on was once homesteaded by Joe Louis, a Métis. His story takes an unexpected twist with a high-stakes poker game that would change the fate of his land forever. In a serious poker game involving Joe, Frank Allen, Alex Salmon, and Art Robinson, Joe wagered his land title and lost. The winner, Allen, later sold the quarter section to Mr. Bashaw for $500. As the railway began to shape the region in 1909, Mr. Bashaw saw an opportunity. He sold lots in the upcoming community and even negotiated with the railway to ensure it passed through Bashaw and not Jarvis. This move was pivotal for Bashaw's growth. Listed on the Canadian Register of Historic Places in 2009, the Bashaw Fire Hall stands as a testament to the town's commitment to community and service. With its pressed metal siding, central tower, and false facade, the fire hall not only served as a firefighting hub, but also hosted civic gatherings and even housed a library. The fire hall, the first public building authorized by the village council, symbolizes the spirit. While we were shooting in town, the fire siren broke the relative silence, and the trucks raced off, lights flashing and sirens wailing. But back to the rest of the town. Bashaw celebrates its history with a 14-point historical walk honoring its past with plaques and a guidebook. The Hall of Fame launched in 2004, recognizing 12 community members who have made significant contributions. Statues around town pay tribute to local heroes, reminding the residents and visitors alike of the people who shaped Bashaw's story. Thanks to its vibrant present, Bashaw continues to evolve while cherishing its rich history. It's a community that honors its past, embraces its present, and looks forward to its future. Now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.